Hey everyone! Today we're going to discuss the most expected questions from electroplating part. We have already covered welding and fitting part. If you haven't checked that, you can watch those from the link given in the description box. Firstly, what is electroplating? Electroplating is a process of covering a surface with a thin coating of other metal by electrolysis. Why is electroplating done? Electroplating is done for various reasons, which include improve corrosion resistance, enhance appearance, increase wear resistance, improve electrical conductivity, or provide a base for further plating. What are the main components of an electroplating setup? The main components of an electroplating setup include anode, cathode, electrolyte, and DC power supply. Where is the workpiece connected during electroplating? Workpiece is connected to cathode during electroplating. Explain the process before electroplating. Before electroplating, the workpiece is dipped in water to remove dust and impurities. Then it is dipped in HCl to remove rust or oxide layer. And finally, again dipped in water to wash off extra acid. What is the role of the electrolyte in electroplating? Electrolyte provides metal ions for deposition and allows current flow between the anode and cathode. Explain the process of electroplating in brief. In electroplating, the workpiece, cathode, is immersed in an electrolyte solution along with the anode, plating metal. When DC current is applied, metal ions from the anode deposit onto the cathode. Why nickel is used for electroplating? Nickel is used in electroplating due to following reasons. Nickel forms a protective layer that prevents oxidation and corrosion of the underlying metal. Nickel deposits are hard and durable, improving the surface's resistance to wear, abrasion, and mechanical damage. Nickel has a bright, silvery finish that can be polished to a high luster, making it ideal for decorative applications. Nickel plating bonds well with various metals, ensuring a uniform and long-lasting coating. Compared to precious metals like gold or silver, nickel is relatively inexpensive while still offering excellent performance. What are the various compounds present in nickel electroplating tub? The various compounds are nickel chloride, nickel sulfate, boric acid, etc. Why a DC power source used instead of AC? DC ensures a continuous flow of metal ions towards the cathode, while AC would cause uneven deposition due to polarity reversal. Why a low current is supplied during electroplating? Low current is supplied during electroplating to ensure uniform deposition. Why a copper wire is used during the experiment? A copper wire provides a good electrical connection for current. So that's it from electroplating part. In next video, we will be discussing the carpentry shop. Thanks for watching the video.